Hi, welcome back to Master Education platform. Today we are going to learn about another new option in the Photoshop. It's called Hue and Saturation. For that, for do this exercise, open some image similar to my image, and now you must know from where you can get the free stocks of image. From these options, we can change color of the images, and special things, you can change color of some parts of your image. For that, we have to change some options in the property bar. So okay, go ahead and open some image from your. I'm going to select this image and this also. I'm going to open two images because I'm going to do two practical today for you. Let's go and see what we are going to do. And in here, okay, first I'm going to change this beautiful lady, but her dress is not matching that much with this background. So it's a green color. We'll change it to another color. We'll see how it is after we change with another color. For do that, go to quick selection tool, and then I'm going to change this dress color. For do that, you have to select this area, and here make sure it's add to selections, and your brush size is 267 small. I'm going to little more big. Yeah, this is okay for me. Then we are going to select this dress. Make sure it is add to selections, and then we are going to select it. See how it is. It's very easy to change, and I want to select this part also. Right. See very easily. We select this dress area. And you don't worry about why you selecting this like a dark area shading here. It will not selecting because white color and black color is not changing in the Photoshop when we are doing these things, because if it change, your photo shape will go. And I want to subtract a little more from here, and I will small my brush because see, this is green color nail. It is not the dress. Here you have to check this thing properly. This is the nail, her nail. I want, yeah. I don't want to change her nail color and keep it. She like green. Let her to keep it green. And then almost okay. I'm going to check go to the refine edge in here, see how we are selection. Now you can see something in here. This is selecting it very sharp. Okay, this is very sharp. Make it a little bit smoother. For do that, from here to 1.5. Okay, feather also. Now go to image, adjustment, hue and saturations. Okay, now we are going to change this dress color. See, only changing her dress color to blue black. Lightness, whatever I like, then you can change whatever you like. Okay, you can see the preview. See how it is colorized. Okay, I change her dress to black color, then hit OK. and press Ctrl D to deselect like this. Wow, now see how her dress color, now it's matching because it's very white girl and background also white background with black dress, because she's like a executive lady. Like this black dress is good for her. Okay, go ahead and do more practice, because we have to work with project in the future practicals. What is important of these settings? Whatever image comes into your hand, you can recorrect the images. Also, you can match backgrounds and image with color, brightness, exposure, contrast, using like this so many tools. Okay, we are going to do another exercise. This other image, this one. Okay, this image. Before exercise, we was change. We was work with the specific object for matching with the backgrounds. In here, we are going to matching background with the other objects. Before we use quick selection tool, and then we are going to use this polygonal lasso tools. Here it is, this one. Okay. This is very nice tool to selecting objects inside the Photoshop. You have to do more practice to become familiar with these tools. Select the object completely with this tool. We are going to start from here. It's very easy to use. It's like this. And then select some phone part. You can press the backspace key from the keyboard. Then you can recomplete. Like that. I'll be more patient when you're doing these things. Otherwise, you can't do this type of work. like that. We are working in studio somewhere, so they will pay good salary for you for this type of works, because in here I am doing very fast. When you are working in the studio somewhere, it will take long time because you have to select it very accurate. To get zoom down a bit more. Don't want to lose original quality of the image. Just like that. She's such a beautiful girl, I don't want to make it bad for her image. Okay, I understand. Definitely. See, when you are reached the other point, you can see some different small circle. That means you already reached the other point. When you reach like that, see what happens now? Right, you selected all the area. I hope. Now select the verify image to see all the selections. Okay, we select like that, and then reduce the feather a little bit. This is okay for me, and smoothness also. Smooth is good. Otherwise, this edges is very sharp because we select manually edges. Everything is fine. In here, to the output selections, these selections, and you don't want to change the other settings. Press OK, and then go to image adjustment. Hue and Saturation here. Okay. Let's go. The pink. Right on like that. Color like a gradient colors. Yeah, now it's good for me, but I don't know for you. For you, you can change color what you like for your eyes. I like because this face color and here so good. This is pretty beautiful girl, and then everything is fine for me. Alright, yeah, this is the lesson today. And then with the OK button, press the Ctrl D to deselect like that. Good, very good for me. Alright, thank you for watching. Go ahead and do more practice to get creativity punch for your life. Also, don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.